Hi, hello, namaste, welcome back to my channel and this is Gayatri here. So in today's video, I just want to give you a little information about iron, but yet very useful information. So we all know iron is very important for our body and 70% of iron is found in our blood in the form of hemoglobin and 30% in the form of myoglobin in our muscle. Do you know? Compared to men, women need more iron storage. It is because during menstruation, women tend to lose 220 to 250 mg of iron from our pit of blood. So this is obvious that women needs more storage because they tend to lose iron during their menstruation. So we women try to balance iron consumption through spinach, quinoa, pumpkin seeds, a lot of sources. But sometimes we fail to store them as needed. And we also tries to keep more, we always try to eat more iron, but still, though we have enough storage in our body, sometimes iron absorption becomes very late, or it may take more time, or it may absorb in a wrong way. So that's the reason I shifted to Oziva Better Iron Plus capsules, which are really needed for our iron absorption. And do you know these are blended with vitamin C and folic acid. So this is the one I was telling about. Oziva Better Iron Plus, which enhances our iron absorption and also helps to give zinc. So I'll just explain you how to use this. Just take 2 capsules before bed. That's it, as simple as it. So you will get a pack of 60 for a month and you also get 120 for 2 months. For better results, it's always better to use 3 months at least. So I'll show you how these capsules look like. They are green in color. So just take 2 capsules before you sleep. That's it. And it also helps you to improve your sleeping time or the sleep quality. So girls, what you're waiting for, just go and check it out. Link is given below in the description. Go and get your product and just keep your health in a track so that you'll not be getting ill. Second product is again from Oziva, and this is for someone who want to transform the lifestyle into a healthier way or looking to lose some pounds or want to improve immune system. Then this would be your referred or preferred product. So here I have Oziva ACV Matcha. That means apple cider vinegar with the mother. This is an excellent product for your weight loss. It just improves your metabolism, it improves your stamina for workouts, and it also improves your immune system in this COVID and pandemic period. So this is something you can have it just before your lunch or just before your meal or just before your breakfast. And this helps you in the digestion. You are the one, if you're suffering with constipation, then this product is for you. So it is absolutely a plant-based product, so there's no harm, there's no side effects that you can expect from this product. And now I will tell you how to enjoy this product. This is very simple. Take a spoon. You will be given a spoon with the product itself. You need not to worry which spoon to take. So you will get a spoon like this, something like this. So take a spoon of powder from this and mix it in a hot water or a warm water and it is ready to have it. You just need to take it 1 hour before any meal and only once for 60 to 90 days for better results. And I have personally loved this product because I'm one person who always worry about weight loss and weight management. So this is absolutely very good if you're looking for weight loss. And along with this, if you have a cute, good diet, then it's going to be more amazing. Instead of losing 500 grams, there's chance to lose 1 kg using this product because I have personally experienced it and I got a second product after using it personally. Now the third product is for those who is looking for flawless skin. Are you suffering with acne? Then you're watching the right video. I know how painful it is to have acne or dark spots on our face. And we always expect, or we always tend to have breakouts when we have any event in the college or when we have a function in our house, and we feel very embarrassing in front of people. We all suffer with it. We all suffer with sudden breakouts. And I know how it is. I know how painful they are. So I was searching for a product which gives right solution to the sudden breakouts. So here I am with a product called Oziva Phyto Cleanse. I know, because sudden breakups are really painful. Sudden breakups are always a loophole to plan something, right? If you want to go to a photo shoot and suddenly you have a lot of pimples on your face, then that doesn't look good, right? So that's the reason I was looking for a product. I was really looking for a product and I got this one really, and I'm thankful to God. It is an anti-acne mask which you can apply twice in a week, and you can see visible changes in 3 weeks for sure. And I have seen visible results in 1 week because I used to have a very little breakout, like 1 or 2 pimples. But if you have a lot of acne, then you need to wait for 2 to 3 weeks for a complete result. And you need not to worry about side effects, because again, Oziva is a plant-based nutrition. You need not to worry. Nothing is chemical in Oziva. And yeah, so you can use it twice in a week and use it for 2 months, and definitely your breakouts will be controlled. Okay, so these are the 3 products that I got from Oziva, and I was amazed by their results. And I will be sharing more of Oziva products because they are really good and they are from plant based. It's not harming any animals or it's not harming nature. So definitely do try it. I will give all the links below in the description. Go through it, go through the products, go through the elements that they are using while they're preparing the product, so that you'll know they are sulfur free, paraben free, they are anti to animal cruelty, and they plant a lot of plants. They do a lot of good things to the nature. So definitely they are very worth it. They are really worth to give a try. And I am very big fan of Oziva, especially the apple cider vinegar product, because I have seen very good results with it. And if you're looking for weight loss, or if you're looking for a glowing skin, or you're looking to have a great health, then these 3 products are for you. So that's it for this video. Take care, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you want a good content and a useful content, then definitely do subscribe, and please share with your friends and family who are always interested in beauty and health. And also don't forget to like if you really like the video, and don't forget to comment from any information that you are expecting from me. If you want me to do on fashion, if you want me to do in more products on Oziva or anything else, please do comment below so that I'll know that I need to do on these particular things. So that's it. Take care. Bye bye. Love you all.